Today's question is, what is understanding? To understand something means to see it. Seeing here doesn't only mean perceiving it, but seeing the logic, the laws of it, in that which takes place, which happens. Understanding something means feeling its specific necessities play out before they actually do. The thing that is to understand has to be observed and experienced repeatedly, so that its laws over time become visible as patterns. The mind can only see that which repeats, because only that forms the structures in the brain that we call knowledge. So, seeing something means to actually have it as neurological structure. That in turn means we don't need to think about it. We don't need the help of words and pictures to see it. Understanding has nothing to do with thinking. Thoughts may initially help to simulate the thing, but once it is clearly visible, evident, your mind always becomes quiet. So, to understand something, you cannot take a shortcut, reading and memorizing information about the thing. You need to spend time attending to it without thought until its patterns become visible to you. Understanding is all about quiet focus on the thing and patience. Once you really understand something, there goes any problem you may have had with it. We only have problems with things we cannot see and therefore think about. Problems are the thoughts that try to solve something. That's the same in science, art, and personal life. The mind thinks about that which it cannot see, because there is uncertainty. The mind doesn't think about that which it can see, because there is certainty. Certainty is visibility to the mind. Where there is certainty, there is no uncertainty. So, really understanding something also means to be at complete peace with it.